The entire crypto market is pumping right now. Hello everybody, my name is Sinad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, and check out that BlockFi credit card if you want to earn free crypto on every single purchase. I use this card every single day when I'm buying gas, groceries, paying bills. This credit card earns me free crypto on every single transaction. So make sure you check it out. But now let's talk about the entire crypto space. Everything is pumping. Bitcoin is almost at $47,000. Ethereum is around $3,300. Zilliqa went up over 100%. VeChain is pumping big time. And don't forget the one and only ApeCoin. It is pumping as well. As you guys know, I invested $35,000 into ApeCoin, and on day one, I was down $10,000. A lot of people would have quit. A lot of people would have sold, took the L, and moved on to something else. But I held on, and I'm glad I did. The following day, ApeCoin started recovering. And then my negative 10,000 became negative 5,000, then negative 2,000. Then I finally broke even. And today, ApeCoin is pumping once again. It is over $15. I think at around $15.30. And now my position is definitely in the green. I am up over $4,000 on ApeCoin. Sometimes it pays to diamond hand and it pays to hold, especially projects that you believe in long term. I believe ApeCoin is going to do amazingly well this year, especially in April. As we get closer to the release of the Metaverse game, I believe ApeCoin is going to pump even more. And I can see it hitting all-time highs in April, but it might happen even sooner. The way it is heading, we might be approaching $20 in the next week or so. So hopefully ApeCoin continues to grow and we get close to that all-time high. As of right now, I haven't taken any profits on ApeCoin. My plan is to hold, double my money, and then take out my initial investment. So around $27 is where I'll be looking to take out my initial $35,000 that I invested. Until then, I'm simply holding and diamond handing for those massive profits. But who knows, guys? Couple days from now, I might change my mind. I might sell a little bit, take out some profits. It all depends on how the market performs. This upswing is amazing. A lot of my altcoins, a lot of my long-term plays are up right now. And I'm sitting on some nice little profits. But as you guys know, crypto is very unpredictable. One week, we might be going to the moon. The other week, we might be heading back down to Mother Earth. Nobody knows how the crypto markets will perform. As of right now, I'm simply holding on to all of my positions. I'm not taking any profits. I'm not selling anything. I'm just letting my coins recover even more. Hopefully a couple of weeks from now, the market is even higher, and then I will consider taking some profits and pretty much selling the coins that I do not plan on holding for the long term. One other thing that I would like to mention, if Bitcoin starts stabilizing around these levels, we might experience a mini altcoin season. We have already seen a couple of altcoins start to run, such as VeChain, Zilliqa, Filecoin, ApeCoin is running now as well, but other altcoins might start running as well. We have seen Ethereum Classic over the last week or so pretty much double in price. As you guys know, altcoin season is where the real money is made. That is where a lot of people become millionaires. Right now, there's a lot of FOMO, a lot of excitement, and a lot of hype in the space. And everyone is feeling positive about crypto. And everyone is thinking we are going to the moon. But guys, please be very cautious. Crypto is extremely volatile. Make sure to do your own research on every single project that you invest in. Do not follow these Twitters. Do not follow these TikToks or these influencers on YouTube. Do your own research on every single project. And let me know in the comment section below, what is your favorite altcoin that you'll be investing in for this upcoming altcoin season? Let me know your favorite alts in the comment section below. If I like them, I might drop some money myself. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, and see you in the next video. Peace out.